work on our sawmill, nothing great. We filmed a little of it, but we're fixing to straighten the mill back up and try to cut a little lumber. We're way behind.
We did the slabs on the wall and ran out, so today we are cutting some more. And we're just going to put video up of that and show finishing this room.
Just for the sawmill shed, just to put my tools and stuff in. We're working on the mill, getting the mill in the dry. But we're going to try to cut some lumber today and give us some slabs to finish this little room up. We got 2 walls almost done, so about 1.5 walls and we'll have enough. But it won't take long getting those slabs to do that, but we need to cut some lumber anyway.
Right now in a hurry.
Right, got to get it done. We'll run a trim board, flash it, boy, you'll be so proud.
I ain't got to look at it.
It's not no...
It's fine. So we're just batten boarding this one right there.
Yeah. Run something across the bottom down there. Just throw that ladder down if you want to. Damn, you're good. A couple of them in there. You are a big help nailing this stuff.
In the middle.
That's good on that one. It's here. So watch out. Well, I love my $75 saw. Will. Here's the gears right here on the end of it. You get out there, you ain't got to mess with the keys, just pull this blue knob.
Where you want it?
Not there by your car, on the other side of my crash, you know, out of the way. So pull this blue knob too and it kills it.
We work on getting, well, we cut some more boards because he ran out of boards whenever he was closing it in to have storage for his sawmill stuff and extra tools and stuff that he has or that he's going to be needing out here. He keeps telling me it's just a sawmill shed. Honestly, I like the back part better. I think that'll look pretty cool. We did all three sides different. At least that way you can tell what you might like or what these boards are going to look like. We ran out of nails, so he's got to put the bats on this. He's bat boarding that too. Just for a sawmill shed and rail. And you got space to put your stuff. Had to go to town just a little bit ago and get some nails, and then I realized that his voice thing that I had ordered on our new mics, I guess his beard was scratching up against it and it was muffled. Today I am fixing to finish up painting the bathroom and hopefully be done with that. So I'm gonna go in here and put painting clothes on and get to painting. Maybe get done with that, or I can show you some of it. I'm sure you are sick of watching paint dry. It's just one wall I have left, and then maybe we can move on to other things. We get this project here, or all these projects here buttoned up. Okay, so I'm actually having to go back over it and with this because to get in the grooves and get it smooth and everything, I'm going to have to roll it with the roller and run the paintbrush down the grooves, because if you put it too thick with the roller, it starts running in the cracks. So just do a thin coat to smooth it out over the wall. And then what I've figured out is I'm going to have to go over it like I did with the kilts every little bit with this paintbrush and these cracks. I'm hoping all this work will pay off.